So hello everyone, this is your Inday Gracia. So our vlog for today is about ano nga ba yung mga requirements for getting a PSA CRS documents, especially sa inyong immediate family. So here are the list. So ngayon po ang kukunan nyo is yung inyong parents. It should be, yung kukuha is legal age, 18 years old and above. At hindi na po kailangan ng any authorization letter, birth certificate, okay? You only need an online appointment schedule and your valid IDs. Kung ang kukuha is yung anak at yung legal parents yung kukunan niya. Ngayon naman po, if yung parents yung kukuha para sa anak, ang kailangan lang din po is yung valid ID and online appointment letter. So no need na authorization letter. So birth certificate po yan, okay? Ngayon, kung yung kapatid mo is kukunan ng iyong kapatid, panganay, yan po is nangangailangan ng authorization letter. Kung si kapatid is nasa legal age na, siya po yung mag-authorize sa inyo. Okay? Authorization letter, online appointment schedule, the copy of valid ID, and also the requester's valid ID. So if minor naman, yung kukunan yung kapatid, so si requester na brother or sister nung minor na kapatid is kailangan po ng authorization letter ng parents. It's either kang mama or kang papa nyo po. A copy of valid ID, online appointment schedule, and requester's valid ID. So yun po yung mga kailangan. So yung topic po natin dito is nasa Pinas lang sila lahat. Okay? Ngayon naman po if yung parents niya is nasa ibang bansa, kailangan po siya ng, kung kukunan nyo ng birth certificate ng yung kapatid is minor, kailangan po ng authorization letter ni mama or ni papa, copy of the passport, copy of the resident ID, online appointment schedule, and the valid ID of the requester. So, yun po, kung nasa ibang bansa, okay? So, kailangan lang po siya na kung wala pong resident ID, driving license ID, or the visa. So, yun po yung mga kinakailangan. So, that's all for today. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. At meron pa po akong ibang mga vlog dyan about PSA CRS documents. So, if you have any questions, just drop your comment below.